ki khubor ka bate si TV. Laban Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ki pulit haka artarik urisau arhajar pulai kila yok kem ki Arngut ki Snar Nongtuh ki basawai haka weka building kabadana kashnong themmo ba chalupara shillong. Layathu bakini ki Arngut ki Nongtuh ki dai buju mulien ban lek prongtu na yeng ki brio hak keleng ka sor shillong ki la shabat haki Katba Katba ki dang Ïaid Swait hasurok jom kashnong Oxford Laban hakapor kumba prabajem step. Ka jingyo bat ikini ki Arngut kalong hadien bagi Katba kila pentikna ya ka dur jong kini ki Arngut ling ba ka CCTV haki sngi ba kila lek ban prongtu haki yeng brio ki badan haka thain Laban. Ya kini ki Arngut ki Snar Nongtuh la kem li ki Katba bala IT no shiki pulet. Haka baide ba kini ki pulet irang pelong ya ka jing token bat ka jing talasi ki kamera jong ka building bala long try da Akhil Ahmed kabada nakshnong themmo ba chalupara.
It was around afternoon 2 to 3 that time because me and my husband we were at work. So we just checked on the footage, the CCTV camera footage. So we got just a gist of timing that it's from 2 to 3. Not exactly, but we cannot tell you that exactly. But he took the doors and the money cash we had in our house. They break all the lockers. We had 2 cupboards, the wooden cupboards. They lock it and they took everything from there. So we caught them because they kept their black 2 umbrellas at our place. So with that identification, we just got a clue everything, and we got one more CCTV footage when they were going down. So they had my vanity case, pink color vanity case, so we could recognize that those are the ones who took our things.
How many of them?
2 of them. Yes, 2 of them.
60-70 रूम हॉकर से भरा हुआ है.
At least 200 and 300 people are staying in this building in 3 floors.
Can you tell us how many times these people have been arrested?
Many times. Sometimes they run away. They just run away. They get prior information and they just run away from here. And then the police comes or somebody else comes. And sometimes they arrest them and then evening you see they will be back again.
These
So
people
many
they
times
stay
it has
here?
happened. Sorry?
These people they stay here?
They stay here.
How
They
many
stay
of
in this
them?
building only.
How many of them?
In this building, I cannot say how many in one house, but total in this building, I think there are more than 250, 300 people are staying in this building. At least 200 and 300 people are staying. If you come in the night time, evening after 6 o'clock, you will not be able to walk in the stairs. There are boys sitting and they are taking drugs openly in the stairs. In the stairs, they are taking
They
drugs.
inject openly, sitting there in the stairs.
In the stairs. And then you have to walk
Side by side.
Side by side, you have to walk. We have complained
Because
so many
with the
times.
addicted person, you can't you can't scold them, you can do debate with them on the spot. Na? What are their mindset? How will they react with your scolding? This is the door. This is the door inside we are living, and this shed we have made.
This temporary because we cannot just open it.
This shed we have made
If we don't keep this one, there are people coming and taking drugs here
here.
outside our house.
मजबूरी से हम लोग ये शेड बना के
Then we
रखा है
covered it
अपना
temporarily.
प्रोडक्शन के लिए.
लिए.
In the evening time, in the darkness, they used to sit here in this corridor area, taking injection, sleeping pills.
They are smoking marijuana here. They are drinking and they will throw the bottle here only. They will break the bottle here only and they will go away.
And when we do complain to the this building owner, he gives reply. You also hold them.
You hold them responsible. He is saying that you hold them. How will we hold them responsible?